Welcome back to another video. This time I'm not going to be looking for animals. I'm going to teach you guys how to find snakes. Snakes are cold-blooded, which means they need a heat source. And that is basically anything that can absorb heat. That may be rocks, and that may be like laid out pieces of wool. I don't know, laid out pieces of like stuff that absorbs heat, like cotton. I don't know, like this rock pile right here is a perfect place.
We always leave me. Why do I, baby? Why do I?
I'll see what I can find.
Would never love the feeling. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you are? We always leave me. Why do I, baby? Why do?
Nope, nothing. So basically, these tarps right here are also great for absorbing heat. So that's what snakes also like. Found a snake skin. Got a snake! Little milk snake. Really aggressive. Bit me at least twice. Focused pretty much on my face. But yeah, that's how you find a snake. Looking under places that have heat. And yeah, I think... Oh god, he wants to bite my face. So yeah. Another milk snake for ya. Lovely. See, that only took like 2 seconds to find one. And that bite really hurt. Oh god. Tried to bite me in the face. So yeah. Ooh. And also this like... where is it? Okay. I don't know how aggressive he is. I think he is sort of calmed down. So basically there was this like white substance. It's like basically musking, and that's like a defense mechanism they do. So yeah. One good snake find. Let's see what else we can find. Just gonna put him back. So another place you can find snakes is down by a water source where their main food is. That could be frogs, crayfish, or salamanders. So, just like this. We just focus. A little leopard frog is perfect food for any snakes or turtles. But today we're looking on snakes, so this is a perfect snake food. So this is another place, another giant long tarp that could have snakes. Nothing. Another possibility is this pink tarp, which can also absorb heat, so let's check. So basically got this northern redback salamander, which is also good snake food, but he'll live today. Just found like 2 more redback salamanders, that was it. So the last place you can find snakes are under logs and rotten debris, like trash, I guess. So here's a pile of logs. It's right there. Let's see. This stuff is way too rotten. There's this ground cricket. So I'll probably just check this last pile of wood and then call it a day. Found nothing there, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any ideas on what I should film next, leave them in the comments below. See you guys next time.